Hi dear friends, welcome to Kuku's Kitchen Recipes. Advanced Christmas wishes to all. So here I share the Kerala Christmas Special Plum Cake. It's a delicious eggless plum cake. In my blog few months ago I wrote plum cake recipe. Share the link in the description box. In that cake I use egg. Here share how to bake eggless plum cake. The main highlight of cake is aroma of dry fruits. Usually soak dry fruits in wine for 2 days. Here I explain how to make simple plum cake at home. There is no icing on traditional fruit cake because of its rich flavor. My family enjoyed this cake. Hope you also like it. So let us check the preparation method. Plum cake is ready to serve. Plum cake or fruit cake is very popular cake. It is made in Christmas time. Try this rich plum cake that is delicious and fruity. It's a great dessert treat for any occasion. This delicious Christmas cake recipe very easy to make and does not use alcohol. Try this easy homemade plum cake and enjoy Christmas days. Once again, happy Christmas to all. Please reply your comment. Subscribe my channel. Click the bell icon, otherwise you can't get the notification. Meet you soon with another easy recipe. Thank you.